On Friday, May 13th, 1983, at the Biorhythm Audience Participation Performance at Works Gallery in San Jose, participants were asked to express how they felt and compare those feelings with a computer readout of their biorhythms and a palmist's readings of their thumbs. On the walls hung Sonya Rapoport's pictorial diary of collage calendars from the year 1980, which she'd used to express how she felt each day.
Are you feeling good?
No, she's feeling bad. I'm feeling bad. She's feeling good.
Would you like another drink? The question is, how do you feel, right?
That's the question.
Yeah, you can't be pretty good. You have to be very good, intermediate, or bad.
Good.
Okay, well, I changed my mind.
How participants feel determines which color wristband they are given. Then, their hands are photographed expressing those same feelings. Then, participants receive a biorhythm reading of their emotional state from one of 3 computers. Then, a palmist gives a reading of their thumbs, and finally, participants sign a chart recording their comparisons.
How are you feeling? Good, bad, or intermediate?
I'm feeling bad.
Bad? No, that's terrible. But I happen to have the right hospital bracelet for you. Now, what you're going to do is to take this instruction sheet here, and you're going to go over to the photographer, and they'll take your picture. And then you're going to go back to the computer, where scientifically find out your biorhythm. How are you feeling? Good, bad, or intermediate? Bad. If you say you feel good, you're going to tell the computer when you were born, and it's going to tell you whether it agrees with how you say you feel. Okay.
And on the little boy, what's his name?
Ken.
Ken, you're the one, you're not feeling so good.
That's right.
See, the whole theory of the biorhythm chart is that in the 3 different areas, the intellectual, the physical, and the emotional, oscillate at a different rhythm on the chart. And they all start at a different point, and it all is determined by the day that you were born, because they all start at your birthday.
Okay, we're ready to go here.
All right.
What is your birthday?
May 21st, 1946.
21st, 1946.
Are you ready?
Okay, we're doing it for the current day, the current month. Take a look at the first 15 days or so, and we'll find out. You are feeling bad? You having a bad? No. Well, you're not a winner. On the 13th, emotionally you're at a peak, so you should be saying you're feeling pretty good. Yeah.
I have to see this. Interesting. Let me shake your hands and let me see the thumb. Oh, look at this fullness right in there. Oh, that's interesting. You have very interesting hands, but I just have to limit it to the thumbs. You seem very quiet and calm and all that, but really you have a very strong reactive nature. I mean, you're not going to be immediately saying how you feel, even though you're very sensitive and aware of that. Because of the stiffer thumbs, that gives you much more conservatism. There's something in you that will think about it before you speak.
I didn't realize it then, but starting on this project was consistent with the way I start on most of my projects. A striving to understand myself. And one way was to understand, to learn about my behavior patterns. And I thought the best way would be to keep a pictorial calendar, a pictorial diary of my activities during the year. From that time on, I was determined that my work would be an expression of my cultural environment, a woman living in a university community in the 20th century using technological tools that expressed our time. I was taking a computer science course, and the next room had a biorhythm teletype. I went over, had my biorhythm computerized, and then it just clicked. Why not, while I'm recording my daily diary, assess my biorhythm cycles? And then at the end of the month, I would be able to correlate whether my assessment coincided with the way the computer had predicted that I behave. I start with soft material. Soft material deals with behavior patterns, something that's not categorized. And I analyze this soft material into a hard material. Now, by hard, I mean that they're categorized, they're numbered, all devices used in order to put them into a computer program.
First thing you type is run to start the program running. And then the carriage.
He's just a little bit slow.
You're a definite winner anyway. I can't stop it.
Results from the Biorhythm participation performance were conceptualized to address the theme exhibition San Francisco Science Fiction SFSF, that in our mechanized world we consult a computer to find out how we feel. An audio tape consists of the participants' statements of how they feel, interrupted by a computer voice asserting how they really feel. Photographs of participants' hands express their personal feelings: G good, I intermediate, B bad. A book in the format of hand pages compiles this information for easy accessibility. A handbook.
How do you feel? I feel much better. Good.
You didn't feel good
Great.
today? What number did you have?
Computer says caution.
Yeah, here's me.